Hi there, it's Kaya from Kachko Crafts, and I don't know for you, but I usually really struggle with making masculine cards, so today I decided that I will show you a really simple and quick example of it. First, we will make the background, and I'm making this because I just didn't want to have the whole background plain white, so I will add this cacti and I will line them up on my acrylic block. As you can see, I'm using quite a big acrylic block, and this will help me make my line straight because it has these lines on it. I will use this really soft ink from Simon Says Stamp, and I will just ink it up and press it down. It doesn't really bother me if it's not stamped perfectly because I know that this is just a background, but if you want you can use Misty, and if the impression isn't perfect just stamp it once again. For me this was just faster because I wanted to make this card as simple as possible. So as you can see, I also stamped the pots for them, and now I will just fill the background in with some blooms from the cactus that is also included in the set. I decided that I will have this gray hexagon here in the middle of my card, and that I will use 5 images of a cactus. It will be different shapes and I will color them in with my Zig markers. I am using my smooth watercolor paper, and as you can see I just applied the color directly on the paper and then blend it out with this brush. The brush itself can also be purchased in Honeybee store, so if you don't know, Honeybee actually has a lot of accessories besides just the Honeybee products, so make sure you check the store out. I will link everything in the description box below this video. So now I will glue this together. I'm using my liquid glue in the syringe to get in every small detailed place. And now I will just stamp this Happy Birthday from Swimming by Seth. I really like the size of it, so I use it quite a lot. And now we will just position our card. As you can see, I will have this gray in the background too, and I will just glue down this background piece. I will pop my hexagon up just a bit with one layer of foam tape, and I will position it towards the bottom of my card. I will pop up the cacti with some foam tape too, and then I will just glue everything to my card front. As you can see, I actually applied my double-sided tape directly on the card, and that's because I have this dimension on this paper that we have created, and it was just easier that way. And now to finish the card off, I will just use some Nuvo drops in black, and this is also available at Honeybee shop. So yeah, make sure you check the shop out because it's really full of awesome stuff. So this will actually finish off this masculine card. As you can see, it's really easy to make, and I hope that you will try it out. I had a lot of fun making it, and this set is just perfect. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye!